time for this, I don't have time for that, I don't have time for this. Every individual has 24 hours in a day. What do you do with those time in a day? Every hour, every minute, every second. What activity do you do? People always say that they don't have enough time. Let's just face it, successful people have 24 hours a day as well, but yet they make it so successful, yet effective as well. They utilize it and they spend wisely. So how do you spend your time in a day? Imagine yourself, you have some goal or some mission that you want to accomplish it, but you always reason it out, giving yourself excuses that you don't have enough time. Let me ask you this, why is this goal so important to you and why do you want to do it? If you can answer it, you do whatever it takes to make arrangement and time such that you make it and fulfill it. If not, just throw it aside and stress-free. Stay awesome and alive as always.